Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make chicken noodle soup. Last time I made this recipe and I just posted a picture on Instagram and every one of you was asking for the recipe. And today I'm ready to show you the recipe chicken noodle soup, which is again easy and simple. And I have lots of bok choy over here already washed. I have 2 pieces of chicken breast, and for the chicken I have this little seasoning here, which is paprika powder, grill seasoning, salt and pepper, and then over here I have carrots, minced garlic, just 1 onion finely chopped, finely sliced, some fresh thymes, juice of a lemon, and some chicken stock, vegetable stock or chicken stock. You can use either one, or you can just use homemade. I'm using store broth today. And so I'm just gonna mix all of these ingredients. Not necessary you add the same thing that what I'm adding to the chicken. This is just up to you. You can add any seasoning you want to add to this chicken. This is a good thing of this recipe. You can just change the seasonings that you are adding for the chicken. And I'm just gonna sprinkle this seasoning each side on the chicken. So I'm just gonna give it a quick massage over here, making sure that the chicken is having this seasoning all over, and then I'm gonna flip it and then do the same thing on the other side. I have just 2 tablespoons of oil preheating. You can use olive oil. I'm using sunflower oil. And then I'm gonna add this chicken pieces, and we're gonna just cook this for a bit. I'm not looking forward to cook this chicken completely. All I want to see a nice sear on top of the chicken, both sides, a nice color. I'm going to show you when we get there. It's been 5 minutes, and now let's flip over the chicken, and now you can see this chicken has been seared and have a nice color, nice brown color. And then we're gonna let the other side cook as well for another 4 to 5 minutes. And now our chicken is ready. It's not cooked yet, but it is the way I want it to be. And it's going to cook later on into the soup. Now I do want to say that I have more ingredients to show you. We have a few more ingredients coming up after. So just remove the chicken onto a plate. Now I have a soup pot, heavy bottom pot heating. I have like 2 tablespoons oil again, and to that I'm gonna add onion, garlic, and the carrots, all of them together, and also the thyme. I'm going to just remove the stem. And now we're gonna cook these veggies a little bit until the vegetables get softened. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, and over medium-high heat, let it cook. And now my veggies has cooked down a little bit. Add the chicken stock, water, add the pasta. Use pasta of your choice. I'm using this little shell shaped pasta. I'm gonna add that, and now we're gonna turn your heat over high, and then we're gonna let this boil. And it's been 25 minutes since my chicken noodle soup was boiling. Well, yet there is no chicken in it right now, and we are going to add the chicken now. I have cut these chicken into bite-sized pieces, and I'm adding this to my soup right now, along with all the juices that you see on the plate from the chicken. This is all goodness over here, all tastes good. And now it's time to add the baby bok choy. Let this boil again just for another 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to cook this bok choy all the way through. We want to see it actually in our soup. So 2 to 3 minutes. And now the bok choy has been cooked. This is the way you want it to be, and now you can turn the heat off. Okay guys, nothing is better in a cold temperature, warm soup. I'm excited. Can't wait to try this. Get some carrots, bok choy, some more bok choy. Hope you guys enjoy this video with me today. This is so hot. You can see how boiling hot this is, and written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.